Hello, seniors. I hope you're having a good week. Just wanted to take a few moments to go over your assignments for the second part of the week. I'm still asking for pictures, so I do need a selfie and a quote. If you're able to send me one about what you've been doing during quarantine, I would appreciate it. All right, let's take a look at Google Classroom. You can see the assignments that are due today, Articles 1 and 2, and then you have some more assignments due Friday. So let's take a look at those. All right, first one would be Article 3. Directions are the same as the other two articles, but I'll go ahead and go over them again with you. Read the article on the Google Doc and then answer the 5 questions in 1 to 2 sentences each. You must answer all 5 questions in 1 to 2 complete sentences each in order to earn full points. And you should type your answers in a separate Google Doc. So let's go ahead and click on the assignment. Alright, this is just a little blurb about it. Do you live in the city, a suburb, or a rural area? According to Christopher Boone, many Americans prefer to live in the suburbs, and future generations will likely continue living there. As you read, take notes on how trends regarding where people live have changed over time. Here is the article, and then here are the 5 questions. Okay, it's a pretty short article. Alright, let's go ahead and look at assignment 4. Same directions. Let's take a look at the assignment. Alright, it is titled, What Your Most Vivid Memories Say About You. What makes up a person's identity? Some scientists would say it's a person's genes, the traits that are passed down by a person's mother and father. Other people might say it's a person's reputation. Dr. Susan Krauss Whitborn has a different take on what makes a person who they are. As you read, identify the different types of memories described in the text. And down here are your questions. Type those on another Google Doc. Also, please don't forget that you do have journals due tomorrow. Those are the week 5 remote learning journals. So make sure you turn those in to Google Classroom. As always, let me know if you have any questions, and I'll talk to you guys soon.